Dongguan Wenjun Industrial Company Limited is a professional manufacturer specializing in the design and production of premium peel and stick wall tiles, including peel and stick 3D gel tiles, peel and stick composite tiles, peel and stick aluminum tiles, peel and stick acoustic panels, and related tools and accessories. Our Vividtiles brand offers an easy DIY solution to refresh kitchens and bathrooms, gaining popularity among customers worldwide. Our factory located in Dongguan, China, which is just 30 minutes from Shenzhen Airport and 2 hours from Hong Kong Airport. Established in 2013, we have over 12 years of export experience and are certified with RoHS, California Proposition 65, REACH, CE, and BSCI, as well as multiple patent and high-tech enterprise certificates. We are proud of our excellent reputation for quality management and customer service. Our dust-free workshop is equipped with 6 advanced printing machines and 6 automatic gel machines. Supported by a professional technical and production team, we ensure 100% strict quality control, inspecting every piece before packaging. We offer a low MOQ with over 500 designs in various sizes to support different range clients, and our monthly capacity of 1 million pieces. Both OEM and ODM orders are welcome. Our direct manufacturing prices make our products highly competitive in the global market. We also operate an office in Guangzhou, featuring a showroom for client visits and business meetings. Thank you for choosing Vividtiles as your trustworthy business partner. We look forward to creating a brighter and more beautiful space together.
Welcome to our Guangzhou showroom, which is 15 minutes away from Canton Fair. Let's meet face to face and experience our DIY peel stick wall tile in person.